Hello traders. In this chart, automatically it will give calls like a signal. Automatic buy sell call generator. Today market open, from opening itself it's a downside direction. After 15 minutes of market open, after 9:30, sell call generated, so red color candle open. The call came at 47,022 range, that straight white line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line. Daily basis in this chart, it will give calls. How I am telling the calls are generated, okay? So we have converted our strategy into a formula and inserted in this chart. So according to our strategy, whenever a breakout happen, it will immediately give calls like a signal. So when market trend changes, you will receive calls. Previously a buy call generator, that buy call came from yesterday market, and today first fresh call is this sell call only. The call came at 47,022, first target is 46,905. It's more than a 100-point first target, and second target is more than a 200-point range. In 7 minutes of market open, in 7 candle we can say 100-point breakout has been happened, but after 10 o'clock only it successfully break out the first target range. Like this today, sell call generated and break out the target. Like this daily basis we are uploading how it work in live market also. It's a chart, so you can change script to Reliance, crude oil, whatever you want to view, and in this chart you will get calls. From these calls you can do tradings. This chart will act as a supporting tool for your intraday trading. For chart subscription, for chart plan details, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.